Hello everyone, welcome to Core Techie. Today we'll learn how you can flash DWRP in your Samsung Android phone. I will be using Galaxy J2 Pro in this tutorial, but you can flash DWRP in any Samsung device. DWRP can be used for backups and restoration. It can backup system changes, Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers, screen lock, media files, apps, and many more. You can use it for installing or flashing zip files, like if you want to flash a custom ROM or Google Apps package, it is useful. There are many more stuff you could do with DWRP. This process includes the risk of your device getting bricked. That means your device won't be able to boot, nor you would be able to make changes in it. In simple terms, it would become useless. I will not be responsible for bricked devices. It may be scary, but it can be fixed. I will make a video on fixing brick devices very soon. So let's start our tutorial. Firstly, you'll need to download a few files in your PC or laptop. In your browser, search for Odin. Go to the official website and download the file. I've already downloaded the file, so I won't be showing how to download the file. The link of downloading Odin will be in the description of the video. The other file that you need is twrp tar file. Now in the browser search for twrp tar file for and then the model number of your phone, which you can check in About Phone in Settings app in your phone. In my case it is SM J210F. The tar file will not be the same for all devices. Make sure to check for the right file as per your device. You can download it from any website. I am not downloading the file as I have already downloaded the file. After completing the download, go to Downloads, then extract the Odin file and open it. Run the exe. Now switch off your device. Now you have to boot it into download mode. To boot into download mode, you have to press the volume down key, home button and power key at the same time. Wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, we are in the download mode. Now to continue, press the volume up button. Now connect your device with a USB cable to the PC. Now in Odin, select the option AP and then choose the file that you downloaded. After choosing the TWRP file, make sure you remove the option F reset time and then click on start. Once you do this, you have successfully installed TWRP in your Android phone. Let's see how it looks. Now to go into TWRP mode, power off your device once again. To boot into recovery mode, press volume up key, home button and the power key at the same time. Wait for a few seconds and you will see it will boot into recovery mode. The phone has now been booted into TWRP mode. Now you can install zips, backup files and restore files. If you learned something new today or found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel Core Techie. Bye and see you in my next tutorial.